friends, welcome to another work and travel episode of Stefan's Garage. Today we are doing time travel, going to BC, or to be precise, British Columbia. I hope that my geography is right. Traveling to Vancouver to meet one of my viewers or subscribers there for a Wilbers project with hopefully a nice install and a nice ride thereafter. Liebe Bikerfreunde, willkommen zu einer weiteren Reise-Episode von Stefan's Garage. Heute geht es nach Kanada, nach Vancouver. Dort werden wir einen Wilbers-Einbau machen mit einem meiner Abonnenten und anschließend dann hoffentlich bei schönem Wetter eine kleine Tour durch die Gegend. So, Rolls-Royce powered twin, not V-twin, but twin. It's a start. Getting some external air condition, some external fuel. Also the 350 is very, very fuel efficient. And yeah, on the way to Vancouver. Just in case that you don't know where the airplane is going, there it says forward. As mentioned many times before, Brembo brakes on the 2016 and newer touring models like the A350. No, I'm kidding, Hispano Suiza brakes, I think. This is a clean tech fly Airbus 350. This one is basically generating fuel while it's in the air. What an amazing view. Very nice architecture here in Vancouver. And this is just a look out of the hotel room. Sunrise is pretty close, and Adi will pick me up and then we will drive to the dealership and grab some breakfast before. Perfect, guys. Now here's Adi, one of my subscribers. No, basically he's one of Laidlaw's subscribers, Robert Simmons' subscribers, $1 Million Bogan subscribers, and now Stefan's Garage. And we are going to upgrade his Harley today, and then we're going to do a really nice ride. Stay tuned. Thank you. So now we arrived here to grab some breakfast, and as Adi is getting a free install, he said that he's going to pay for breakfast. Thank you so much. Now we are arriving at Barnes Harley-Davidson in Vancouver. Or what is this village? Langley.
Langley, British Columbia.
For me it's all Vancouver.
Yeah.
But it's Langley. Now we are inside Barnes Harley-Davidson and to see the El Diablo. And two more are hidden in the inventory, but as far as I know, they are already sold. Quite a nice dealership here, and let's head to the service department. Now we are inside the service department of Barnes, and here is Hemi. Hemi like the engine. And he looks like a V8. But I was told that he's not mean. No, he isn't. And I'm not afraid of dogs. What we have here is Adi's CVO Street Glide 2020. Adi, what's the color?
Smoky gray black hole.
Okay, he is better in colors than I am with the Red Hot Chili Pepper. We have some nice modifications. Some are going to be an issue during the install, but yeah, I'll find a way, and we won't bore you with the install. It's going to be just schematic, and then we are going to ride.
Da ist jetzt der Stefan schon fast fertig mit der Wilbers Install hier am Barnes Harley in Langley in Kanada.
Das ist jetzt Instagram-Format. Vor YouTube musst du 90 Grad
Oh! Okay, dann. Sie, da kennst du das schon wieder besser als ich.
Ja, oft genug gemacht jetzt. Ja. Weißt du, was wir vergessen haben?
Ne?
We need to adjust the headlight because
Oh!
It's like you guys, one's chicken, one's beef.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow!
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just a short notice, should you do some installs in the future?
Okay.
It is, as those are asymmetric, it's important that the conventional one is on the right hand side, which is in the description, and the Wilbers label needs to face to the rear. This label. Because here the slots for water drainage, and that should be in the front.
Great, good idea.
Yeah. And therefore this label needs to face to the rear. From the function, it doesn't matter. Okay. But very important is on this one, which is doing the magic stuff. He's got a white label here with the part number, and as well the manufacturer Wilbers label, and this one needs perfect to face to the rear as well, because this one is pumping oil in this reservoir, and the pickup for the oil is here in the front. So if you put this one in the wrong direction, so if this one is in the wrong direction, the pickup will get some air.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the intake would be bumpy. Yeah. Okay, I'll just take a picture of that as well.
Go ahead.
So I make sure, yeah.
I need 2 tires.
Yeah.
And fucking, when you turn right, you set the fucking stop sign there.
Yeah.
Fully spanked your sideways.
Sorry, dude. Really?
Like, what?
That's kind of hairy.
Yeah, being tasked because my eyesight is so bad, normally I don't get them straight. And here he comes for the first quick test ride with the Wilbers. Oh, nice pipes. The most important part, that was exactly when Adi arrived. So this is just a little bit redone, because he was so thrilled.
Unbelievable! What a difference! My smile is all the way up here. I can't believe it how different it is than the stock ones.
Should have done it a year before.
Should have done it a long time ago. I wish I would have known Stefan earlier and last year, or even when I bought the bike.
And now it's Sylvain's honor to try the bike, and then it's my honor to try it. Well, I know how it rides, but it will be an honor to ride it.
Very different. Very different. The road manners, unreal. The road manners, it's responsive,
Unreal,
it's smooth,
right?
there's no jarring.
There's no like.
There's no
clicking
dipping,
in.
there's no diving. What a difference.
Yeah.
It feels as if the bike is lighter, more maneuverable, or I guess more assured footing.
But it's still a Harley.
It's still a Harley.
It still has the character of a Harley.
And again, I'm a shorter guy. I was worried about the height because it's a little bit higher. but nothing. I still have both feet on the ground, right?
Wow.
And it's
Absolutely
awesome. What a
fantastic.
difference.
So if anybody wants to try out the Wilbers, come out. We are here on Saturday at Barnes Harley Davidson. Don't miss us. We will be gone in a couple of minutes. And here is the next test rider. Oh, it's an electric bike. It's a live wire.
Yeah, much better. Notice a lot in the turns. The sharp, like that over there, like the really sharp ones. Really nice.
What a difference, eh?
Oh yeah, big difference.
It's unbelievable.
So, let's see how long this nice Mako Shark Fade will keep the stock suspension. I am enjoying the Wilbers Street Glide CVO. I might try the Softail Standard in a second. And what's really nice, ride the bike without needing to pay for fuel. We have viewer education. White Rock, Canada's longest pier. And over there is, in the far distance, the White Rock that is giving this town its name. So viewers, here we have the famous White Rock. Need some new paint, maybe. So come to Vancouver, visit Canada and the famous Hey guys, English-German lesson with Stefan's Garage. Here in Canada you have to drink Ardinger if you want to have a non-alcoholic beer. Ja, Freunde, ihr wisst, Erdinger hier in Kanada, da muss man nicht so weit reisen. Back in the garage. It was a great way of riding the CVO Street Glides. And guys, just have a look on this awesome LED lighting. Unfortunately, it is strictly prohibited in Germany, but not in other parts of the world. So Joe, und nur für dich eine Inspiration. Okay guys, maybe I should do a collaboration with Ryan one day. Looking good for today. And the final breakfast after the nice day yesterday here in Vancouver, a restaurant called Jam. So now here at Granville Island, the Giants, which is a concrete factory producing. No animal has been harmed in the making of this motion picture.
Sing songs of the people I knew, and read along, where the people say, sing the song of a friend, change the shape it up.
And here once again, a new German sausage restaurant, and they have Ardinger beer. Hi Matt, this is Adi, crazy Canadian Harley rider, and he will visit you one day to get his bike serviced at Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson, and he's got a Wilbers now, so he will be able to ride down to LA.
Coming down to LA next summer, look out for me.
Okay, hi Robert, big shout out from two of your subscribers or preloaders, Adi from Canada and Stefan from Germany, and he got in contact with me and now has a Wilbers. So greetings to Georgia.
Thanks, Robert. Looking forward to it.
Okay, Danny, for you we have to start with a fuck you. No, Danny, living the dream. This is Adi from Canada. He reached out to me because of your videos and me taking part in it. And he's now a Wilbers and he is a big follower of your vlog. So, living the dream.
And Danny, I won't take my CVO off-road like you do.